Hey everyone, this is Tina. Welcome to the Crafty Muffins. I am back with another DIY video and this time I'm making a DIY ring organizer. The materials that you require for this project are an old shoebox, fabric in two colors, hot glue, some fabric scraps of foam wrap, craft foam, pen, paper and scissors. This is how the organizer looks. This is super easy to make and is a great organizer for people who own a lot of rings like I do and do not want to waste time searching for their ring. So if you like this DIY, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on for more DIYs. So first you need the shoebox and you are only going to need the lid of the shoebox for this DIY. Next, I'm going to cover the lid with some black fabric. You can also use paper. I will glue the fabric to the back of the lid like so. Next, I cut off the corners of the fabric like so that it would be easy to glue the fabric to the sides. Next, I glued the fabric to the sides of the lid. I did not cut off any excess fabric, I just glued it over on the inside of the lid like so. I repeated the same steps on all the four sides of the lid. Next you need some foam wrap. So whenever I order something online, especially makeup, it comes wrapped in this sort of foam. If you do not have this, you can also use some old fabric or bubble wrap. Just roll the piece as shown. Of this piece has to be equal to the width of the lid. Just tape the ends of this piece with some sticky tape. Next, I took a fabric in a different color and I just glued it over the foam wrap roll like so. I cut off any excess fabric. Similarly, you would need to make multiple pieces. Now the number of pieces would depend on the length of the lid that you're going to use. Next, I glued these rolls on the inside of the lid like so. Ensure that there is no space between two rolls or else your rings will fall off. Keep gluing the rolls until the entire lid is covered. Next, I cut off a strip from the same black fabric that I used on the lid and I glued it on the top like so to make a sort of a handle so that I could also hang this organizer if needed. The basic structure of the organizer is now ready. To decorate it, I first took a square piece of paper to make a template. Please follow the steps as shown. Basically, you need to divide the piece into 6 equal parts. Next, fold this piece into half again and open it to get the middle line. Draw a sort of a petal shape on it and cut it. Now, fold over the petal shape onto the other half and trace it and cut this out as well. Open the piece to get a flower template. Similarly, you need to make a smaller template. Next, I took some white craft foam and traced the bigger template on it and cut it. And I traced the smaller template on some black craft foam and cut it. These are the two flower pieces. I will glue the smaller flower on the bigger flower like so. Next, I cut a circle from white craft foam and glued it in the center of the flower like so. Similarly, I made many flowers alternating between the white and the black foam. With the same green fabric that I used earlier, I made some tiny leaves. Next, I glued the flowers to the top corners of the organizer like so. Next, I made a butterfly with the same color combination, that is white, black and the green, and I glued it to the bottom corner. This is the final result. This is a great idea for someone like me who does not have the time to dig into their jewelry box and not find something that I would want to wear on a particular day. And since it is all displayed, I would not end up buying something similar. So I hope you all like this video, and if you have any DIY ideas that you would want me to try, then please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. Thank you, have a great day, and bye-bye.